react to it. Keep off gas, don't brake, squeeze your gas in, have a look well ahead. What's the reason for the slowdown?
There's a car.
There's a red car going up there with hazards on. Gear 2, because it's struggling. Feel it struggling then?
Yeah.
Try and be slow then, that clutch back up, man. I've got to ask what this car's doing. Is it going to keep going? Is it got a puncture? Is it in limp mode? What's the reason for it going slow? God knows. Because we're turning into Molyneux, mate, we'll not even try and get round. I know you're well back and you're well aware. They've not got a puncture, so I'm guessing it's something mechanical with it. Alright. Just be aware, keep well back, that in a situation like this, it might just conk out completely.
Right.
Alright. Left ear cut, take your time going in, yeah?
Never seen that before.
One for YouTube, that, mate. Only because you've not done anything wrong. But, like you said, I can't remember that happening before. See what I mean about driving?
Yeah, never the same.
But in that situation, all you can do is you think, right, why are they going so slow? Have they got a puncture?
Yeah.
So then you look at the tyres and think, well, the tyres are up, so it's something mechanical, innit? So the car's either gone into limp mode or something.
Right.
So if it's in limp mode, that'll mean it'll just get minimal power.
Right.
There's something wrong with it. So it'll keep going, but there's something wrong with it. But then you got to think, what happens if it just dies?
Yeah.
You know, you've got to be prepared then for that car to just cut out in front of you.